Welcome. Are you planning or interested to learn how to start and from where to start the online business? So, it is very important to understand what online business models are available. So, from moving from your traditional business store to come to the online, it's really very good decision. But to understand that what business models are available, it is another very important decision, as is directly proportional to your investment, to your time, and to the manpower and the efforts you will need to put. So, e-commerce marketplace is one of the options you have, and to having your own platform. So, the understanding these are two major options you have to pick, it is very crucial. Like, e-commerce marketplace is the place where you will have ready store or the site for your business. So you will not need to create a website. You will not need to do the payment method integrations. You will not need to create a customer support integration and all the features which that marketplace have. Like Amazon have already website for the customers, the sellers who create the account with them, they provide you their own store website or the link where your customers will navigate. And similarly, known Daraz and other marketplaces as well. So picking a marketplace means that you will have already ready website for you. On top of this, payment method also you will have. And the major difference to have a marketplace or any other platform is that you will have a customers from that marketplace. Marketplace here where thousands or millions of sailors are already sailing depending on which platform you are selecting and which target country you have. And then when the second option which you are being suggested with no reason, or you are picking with no reason to understand the difference, that to build your own store, or either it can be any platform that you are using a Shopify, or you are using WooCommerce, or you are building your own custom website, any platform you pick to build your own store, this is a new story that you begin by your own. So building your own store means that you are responsible to creating your own website. You are responsible for all technical factors that you needed to be covered. You need to be responsible for the payment integrations. You will need to do this all. You need to have a customer support also involved, like how customers can returns and customer satisfaction. This is also one of the major business need when it comes to the online stores. So these two major differences you must need to understand, that marketplace means that you have ready website, you have customers from them. On top of this, the payment and everything will be covered from the marketplace. One more major benefit from picking the marketplace means that you can pick the fulfillment as well for your customers. Fulfillment is one of the main section or main model in the online e-commerce, is that where you will store your products, your warehousing, how you will be doing a packing to your products, then delivering to the customers. And when they have returns, so you receiving a returns, you check the products and you make a refunds for them, as is very important to have a positive review from your each customer. So marketplace provide you a ready website for doing this all, and then they have an options for the fulfillment also. Fulfillment is an optional with Amazon also, like they have FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, or you can do the fulfillment by merchant by your own, that you can keep your products with you. And another thing is that if you are picking your own platform, that the fulfillment definitely you will need to be take care. But having the platform by your own, still you have an option that you can use 3PL, third party full logistics, that they will take care of your fulfillment, but your involvement definitely will be more than a marketplace fulfillment. So picking a platform is definitely very crucial, that all these efforts and manpower and investment you will need to take care. On top of this, if you have your own store, you need to generate a traffic. There will be no traffic, is like a new domain or new website for the customers. You will need to do a heavy investment for your marketing as well. So doing starting your e-commerce online store, you need to be ready. You need to understand your situation, like how much investment you have, how much manpower you are ready to put, your time, everything. Then you pick a platform, it will be a right decision for you. In most of the situations that online courses are telling to the students or the e-commerce newbies, that you start your e-commerce with Shopify or build your own website and start, you will have more profit. But they will not tell you, they will means you will not understand the differences between that. To having your own platform as a newbie is really very heavy lifting that you are planning to start with. So definitely, if you are newbie and you have minimum investment, you want to try this business model, definitely start with e-commerce marketplace where everything is ready for you. You will need to list a product, and then listing a product to having your private label, and or you want to do the wholesale. This is another very important decisions when you're starting a online e-commerce as a newbie. So if you are interested to learn the step by step marketplace or your own platform, so I have a step by step course that you can be enrolled into these courses. So the link is in the description. You can check out the courses as the lowest price with the sales. So see you in the next site.